Good morning. Coper in the house. Clarity in the house. Good morning. Let's check this audio. See what it sounds like. All right. There we go. Sounds all right. Trying to mark Mancini's levels out on the ES here. Let's see if they're any different than Friday. Probably not. Let's see. 6001 support. Weak support. 5980. And then 6034 is resistance. Did we tap 6034 overnight? Looks like maybe. Not quite. Didn't quite get there. 45 up next. $6,100. Seems unreasonable, but you never know with the old nasty. And the ES 5980 fails. 5980 fails. We sell to 5958. 5928. All right. We got them marked out. Marked out. Savaga. Good morning. All right, I am going to be on an eval this morning. Good morning, Robert. Unless we see something that seems to be live account worthy. I doubt it. Seriously doubt it. Kind of interesting if we repop 600 here. What do we think? Do we repop 600? I don't know. Let's mark out some levels. Previous day, or yeah, I guess this is not previous day low, that's just the low. We had that big squeeze. Overnight high, 740s. Let's kind of put our levels in. Previous day high up here. All right, we'll just leave that area marked out for now. What up, Nicholas? 21672 looks like some interesting target. Potentially, yeah. Excuse me. Merry Christmas, DA33, Trader Oracle in the house.
Are you streaming?
Yep.
Hey, stream.
Megan says hello. Oracle, we're going to be streaming until like 11:30. Like 11:30, I think. Just for fun. Eval only. Maybe a little bit later. Maybe 12. We'll see. Depends on how much fun we're having. I mean, if we're blowing evals over here and not having any fun, then maybe not. But, yeah. Max really runs the stream tumbler. Oh, yeah. What happened last year, DA33, on Christmas Eve? I have no idea. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I streamed that day, but I don't remember. I was just crossing over 1,000 subs this time last year. So, what are we at? So, about a year later, we're at 6,449. So, we probably gained about 5,000 subs this year, I guess. Something like that will be my guess. Huge move. I'm here for it. I'll be here for the huge move. If we get one. We got the new week opening gap marked out. We had a nice little VWAP sell-off there. 118 points at like 820. 830, I guess. A little 100-point sell-off pre-market. Interesting. Anybody catch any of that? I didn't see it. Yeah, we do have 10 a.m. news. Oh, hold on one second, guys. The car lot, the repair shop's calling. Hold on. Yeah, surprise, surprise today. Saturday, I drove Crystal's car, and anyways, they, because he was saying there was nothing wrong with it on Friday. I don't know if you guys remember. He's like, oh, nothing's wrong with it. Yeah, I drove it yesterday morning, and it literally broke down right in front of his shop, and that's him calling me saying, oh, the differential has a huge hole in it. That the differential, like, blasted apart. I'm like, I mean, we told you there was a problem. So, I don't know. I don't even know. You know what? I may take a little stab here. Just a little stab of Bluesky, risk 10 points. Kind of look for like 610 now. Yeah, I guess 607 is fine. I'm going to go break even above the swing here. What up, crypto? Just picked up 35 ticks. Let's go. I think we get a nice little pop. I think we get a little pop here. Let's see. Guys, this will be eval only stream. We're going to be, we're going to be slinging this thing around a little bit. Slinging this thing around just a little bit. But if this doesn't, if this fails, it's fine. But I'm okay with where the stop is. We'll leave it. See if we get a pop above the 600 number here. I think we can run into the 607s pretty quickly. Tradeify eval clarity, yeah, makes sense. DA thinks we get up to 21,660, but I'll wait on the opening bell. Would make sense. Let's see if this thing can go. I don't know. I'm probably in a little bit late on it. He's sending me some pictures of this thing. He's like, come down here and have a look at it. I was like, dude, I can't come have a look at it. Yeah, I'd say that's busted. What do you guys think? This is the front diff, or the PTU. I don't know what you want to call it. It's what I thought was the problem to begin with. Look at that. That doesn't look good, huh? Does not look good. I told him I thought it was the PTU unit. I mean, I thought that all along, but I'm no mechanic. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good for my wallet either. Well, Jays, it wasn't busted open like that until I drove it on Saturday. On Saturday, I heard a loud clunk and then metal on metal. And I happened to be like right there at his shop. So I just coasted down the road another half mile. I put it in neutral and just coasted. Hey, Trader Oracle, Merry Christmas. Thanks for being an inspiration and genuine great guy. $50. You appreciate that, Trader Oracle. You the man. You the man, Trader Oracle. Oh, really? Look at this thing. Really? Look at that. That's dirty. Was that dirty, guys? Or what? What up, fish lips? It just came down and stopped me out. Trader Oracle rich. I don't know, is he? Oracle said he works hard for his money. Hard for his money. Andy, good morning. Your battery-powered Snow Joe snowblower caught fire 2 days ago. You're out $1,500 and not buying battery power anytime soon. Yeah, that's the thing, DA. Is like I already spent $2,648 in this car. It's a 2016 Ford Explorer with 170,000 miles on it. I know this is probably going to be another $1,500 to $2,000. Like, the car's probably only worth like 6 or 7, maybe, if that. Probably closer to like 5,500. I don't even know, but I don't know if it's worth it. 10 a.m. news today, guys. That's it. Consumer confidence, 10 a.m. That's all we got. Well, I mean, it's been a good car, fish lips. We've had nothing, no bad luck with it or anything. But wow, that just shot me in the tick there, right there. Just pulled back, stopped me out. I mean, it literally shot me in the tick. So I like the car. She's looking at the Traverse maybe as the next vehicle. Look at that. Why do people got to call me when I'm busy? You're in a 599 long. Let's go. No, well, they didn't. They hung up. You have a 13 F-150 in the shop now. They're telling me the manifolds will need to be replaced. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the manifolds on those, Wayne, has the, if I'm not mistaken, I think that has the catalytic converter built into it, right? Exhaust manifolds. That was what was going on with that one there. So I am shopping for a new car, so there might be some people calling me. All right. I've got a few calls out, so some people may call me back today. Before you go to the dealership, you need to call around and get the best pricing. So we'll see. You need one of my payouts? I need one of my payouts, Wayne. I haven't had one in 2 months, really. Not anything of not any sort of amount, decent amount. I need it. 625 really just missed. Yeah, I don't know. I think we are, if you measure the range here, I mean, we are halfway of the range. Yeah. So we already pushed up halfway of the range. We'll see kind of what we get here. So anyways, we'll see what we get here at open. So 1 minute gap doesn't look too bad. Maybe we get a VWAP, little VWAP test. If we get a VWAP test here, we might take it. Crystal's like, I told you guys. All right, here we go. Place your bets. We'd like to see 21,315 retest. All right, there we go. ES pushing above 6,001, approaching the VWAP there. If we pop the VWAP, do we take it? Do we take it into like there? Pop it? I don't know. Should we wait for the ES to get above the VWAP too? Let's see here. What up, Rainier? I'm gonna just take a little quick stab here. I mean, I think we run these highs up here, but could pull back first. Let's see if the ES gets to the VWAP there. No love where my stop is, to be honest, but we're not going to move it. We're not going to move it. Let's see. 660 fade, 45 to 50.1 minute candles. Yeah, so far. Maybe I should have faded the 660 like you said. I don't know. Might try it again. You know, I'm pesky. Oh, there could be a 30 second. I just noticed that 30 second there. Did just notice this 30 second short. How big is the gap though? 17 points. It's not bad. Does this gap hold? Question. Yes, fighting the VWAP there. Kind of want to take another stab along. Now, I'm on eval only here, guys. I am going to be aggressive, just so you know. We're going to be aggressive here. All right, we're out of one there. Move the other one up. I'm going to go break even. It's either going to go or it's not. Didn't go. Came back and got me. 67.50 equal highs. Yeah, I don't think they were relative though. Or actually, are they still there? They still are there. Yeah, are up there. 67.50. Oh, I do see those now. I probably could have left my stop below this, but here's where he figures with sales price, fees, and sales tax. Nice. Big seller in the area, it seems. A lot of absorption. Yeah, we're going to see what happens here. See if we can push through. We do have consumer confidence D. You are correct. 10 a.m. It's a little 30-second potential short here. Do I take this, though? I don't know. Let me see. It's not that clean looking. It is below the VWAP. Well, there's the trigger. All right, I'm going to try it. Put the stop up there somewhere. Break even on this is kind of right there at 618. Looks like we're going to probably get stopped. Too high volatility probably so far, or at least right now. So 618. Probably going to get stopped, but let's see. It could just dump here. ES is at a key support level. I just noticed that. So probably do get stopped. Yeah, we're stopped. Maybe max. It could be. Very well could be. Boom, 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 boom. This one failed. Where's the overnight high? Do I have it marked out? Oh yeah, 741. Yeah, it does seem like that's probably where it goes. I mean, I do like the ES off that 6,000 level. Hold on one second. People are going to be calling all day, so. All right. Sorry about that. What up, Relic? Hey, Yoma. We might get wrecked here. was thinking that we might move up here, but it's kind of bouncing around there at the VWAP. Got in kind of late again once again. Like for it to at least get us out the first one. So 55. Volatility. All right, back above that wick. I'm going to move the stop in. Risk what I just made, you know, on the first contract there. So basically a free trade. All right. What up, Steve? I'm feeling better, Yoma. I still got a little congestion, but not near as bad. My ear finally popped. I can hear out of it decently. We're kind of barcoding here, guys. I mean, this open has been very choppy, right? It's very choppy. I mean, we are at 67 points there, but still pretty choppy. What up, Andrea? Marston's in the house. Stock market buy at 660. It might just go. I mean, I think it probably does. I might, if we pull back into the VWAP, we may participate one more time with a stop kind of down here. I mean, we're holding that 6,001 there on the ES, so I'm going to go one in here and take it off. Maybe even not at the high. I do think we break out of this range at some point. Question is, like, which way do we break out of this range? Do we break out of it to the upside or to the downside? Andrea, I don't know. What's the difference? I got most of the name right, Yoma. I got most of it right. Sorry, Yoma, I'm not perfect on the names. I'm not perfect. See what happens here. Left equal highs there, I think, did we? Are those equal? No, those aren't equal. I'm going to stop down to there. You're used to it. See? There we go. Acceptable, Yoma. Acceptable. Yes, unable to get above the VWAP there. The VWAP. Selling back below the 6100s now. All right. Bottom of the range. All right, get another call, guys. I'm sorry. All right, we're back. And stop me out. Dirty. This is interesting. Do you have a 30-second? Is this thing going down? We have equal lows down here at the 70s. We'll see if this thing comes below this or not. Yeah, DA, I'm just trading on an eval, so being a bit aggressive. It's not paying off. It's not paying off. That's a good candle. What time is it? Yeah, we got like... That's annoying. All right, back in. Hey, we said we're being aggressive, so... Oh, come on. Did I hit my stop already? Oh, man. I think we killed the account already. I think we just killed it already, dicking around. Dicking around over here. All right, we'll stop dicking around. How about that? That's probably for the best. Yeah, it's quick when you full port. It's quick when you full port. That's how she works. Just jerking around here a little bit. Oh, nice job, Wayne. Yeah, I think strat's not working today. Definitely not. What up, Aaron? What up? That's the thing, like, you know it's going to go down, but I feel like it is anyway. I don't want to take a trade on a funded account. I really don't today. But it looks like it's going to go. Where is my new account? New week opening gap upcoming. We could maybe take this in like a really short stop, but I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, Wayne, me too. Quick 5 points there on that one. Back through here. Yes, approaching the 5980, which is Mancini's support level there. Look for like a long setup off that level, I think would make sense. So maybe we sweep this low, maybe we don't. ES already swept this low, so you could get a long setup out of this. Would make sense. I think we might start pushing back up now. Let's get on this eval. Let's get off these fundeds. We don't want to be on the fundeds. Patience. That's right, DA. So, what up, Max? You were wrong. Well, I was wrong too. Look at my trades. Wait for the close of the 5 minute. Probably should wait after news, I guess. We got news in 7 minutes, but I might take a long. We'll see. One more push down. $20 points. Holy cow. So to replace that, he's saying $2,400 for the part and $800 in labor. So another $3,200 in this car. Oh my goodness. I don't know about all that. No, if I'm about all that. I don't know if I am. He is holding up there kind of the 84, 85 area. A lot of support in this area. I mean, we are at the new week opening gap here as well. So, all right, stopped out. OF trading would kill it. Yeah. I don't know. Stop to break even would be 617 on this trade. This is off the 30-second chart, in case you're wondering. Or back above that wick now that we just left. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Killed me on that one again. What are we down on this account already? $500. You like the 1 second chart best? Back to the futures. I mean, if we get a 30-second short here, we might jump back in. It's awfully low. I took the long there. I really didn't have my stop where it needed to be. Stop really, I guess it, yeah. I don't know. It seems okay. The millisecond. Oh. There she goes, just stopping me out and now going. See, I'm right about this most of the time. Like, I wanted to look for longs there. It's just, you know, not doing great at executing. Mike should just be taking 5-10 points and just being done with it. I mean, that went 14 points. I was just going for more. Maybe we should just be taking the 10 points. Let's do that. We'll go 12. 12 and a half. $12 and a half. Little pop into the VWAP. Leave equal highs here. Ooh, almost. No. All right. I'll take that. And I'm not even going to move this. I'm going to keep it fixed. How did that not hit me? Come on. Get me there. Another person's calling. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. That person was long-winded. So, yeah, I'm not really muted, Trev. They're, like I said, I'm in the middle of trying to buy a car, and I don't want to just go to the car dealership and not know what the price of the vehicle is before I get there. Because I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this. I'm sure you have. Basically, you look online for a car. I'm just going to give you an example. They say it's $30,000. And then you get there, and the car is $30,000. But then they've added in all these extra fees on top. They're like, oh, the tinted windows is $799. The helium or whatever nitrogen in your tires is $299. The whatever, the floor mats are $799. Just stuff like that. Low jack is $1,500. Yeah, and I'm not doing that. I don't do that. So I ain't paying for none of that. So if you're wanting to collect that, then you can collect that from another person. You're not collecting that from me. So I'm just trying to make sure before I go there that they're not going to try to wamboozle me with some a whole bunch of fees. So, and this dealership that just called me, I know they have those fees. So that's why I was telling her, like, hey, I'm not paying that. She's like, what price do you want to be at? I said, I want to be at the price I see online plus tax, tag, and title out the door. Simple. Let's keep it simple. Boom. Going to the 12 points seems to have worked. We're grinding our way back down $70. What up, Jason? Your wife does finance. She negotiates car prices, and it's nuts how much she gets taken off. Yeah. It's not Black Beauty. It's just one of those things where I just don't want to overpay. That's all. I mean, really, that's all it is. Yeah, Bob, that won't work. I just don't want to overpay, right? I mean, why pay $30,000 for a car that you can get for 26? I mean, that's all. I don't need the windows tinted. I don't need the helium or the, I don't know why I keep saying helium. The, whatever it is in the tires. I don't need all that stuff. So take it off. I don't care that you've already put it on there. That's not my problem. And that's what they say. Well, we've already put it on the vehicle. You're an idiot. I don't know what to tell you. You shouldn't have put it on there. So I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, I went to a car dealer yesterday, and I mean, we couldn't come together on price, so I left there too. I mean, is what it is. You gotta have the ability to walk away, otherwise they got you. Otherwise they get you. Thinking about taking another short here. Kind of like that 9 retest. We could easily bounce here, though. Could easily bounce. All right, I'm going to try it. A little late here, but that's all right. Might have thought about it a little too soon. I'm going to go to break even, kind of like right now. Maybe I'm not. All right, now. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I know I can do it. All right, maybe she can't do it. I'll take her off there for 3 or 4 points. Get us back to break even. Jamie's been watching for the gaps in 30 seconds. Nothing wrong with 30 seconds. I like it. What up, Stacy? Need tinted windows, man. Can't let the opponent see you. Nah. I can get the tinted windows done for like $600 or $300. 1 minute candle, 7.5K volume gives you 100% win rate. Really? Interesting. No, Jeff, I'm not taking any funded trades today. I did take one. I got a new Bulenox funded account, and we did take a trade on that just because I was waiting on the other account to load. So we did take a trade on that one. We made, $100, five quick points. But to be honest, it wasn't even a very good trade. So But yeah, buying a car is no fun. You always want to get the money, get the negotiation part out of the way before you actually go to the dealership. That's a good piece of advice if you ever buying a car. So, because once you get there, they kind of got you. She's a boring girl. Fred took a fun to trade on accident. Ooh, that would be scary. Yoma, because used car prices right now are in the dump. So anything you buy used is going to depreciate more than a new car is. And that's just unfortunate, but that's the way it is. So I'll give you an example. On the Traverse, which is what we're looking at, a new one is $42,000 out the door. A used one with 50,000 miles is going to be like 37. So you're saving like $5,000, but you know, so in other words, you're just not getting, there's not value there for me in the used car market. Not enough value. I'd rather depreciate the car myself, know what I have in it, not really care to sell it, than to, I'd rather have a new car depreciation than a used car that's going to be depreciating at the same amount, basically, when you drive it off the lot. So, the Knowledge Hub. You have money how, don't get Chevy, get Toyota. The problem, Knowledge Hub. Number one, I don't have money. Number two, a Toyota is expensive, and they don't really have, like the Toyota Highlander seats 7. I think some of the 4Runner seat 7, but they're much smaller on the inside. So it's just not as comfortable as a full-size vehicle. So, but I do have a Toyota Camry. I do like Toyota. I mean, I like Honda. I like Toyota. I got a Honda and a Toyota DA. Got both. Mazda 6 station wagon, 2009. Sounds like you got the same car as Tom Sabo, Yoma. The same car as Tom Sabo. I was going to take these off. No need to list anything since so many people are calling. You towed with a Dodge 3500? Yeah. I'm kind of like a brand whore. I don't care what the brand is. I'll drive anything. I've driven station wagons, vans, you know, whatever it is. Wow, after looking at the 15-minute chart here, it looks like we're going to be bearish to me. I used the wrong thing. I mean, this looks like we need to move down, does it not? 300s, 315 maybe? You actually have a fair value gap right there. Yeah, it does kind of look like we're going to be bearish. I don't know, though. Maybe not. At least for a little bit of a pullback. I guess that is a decent pullback. We don't really have anything down here either. I mean, this is just a big gap. Maybe that wick right there. Wow, we wicked below that? Yeah, we did. You wanted to say long, but this short will be coming down? Yeah. Grinch twisting the dials. The Grinch is in the house, twisting the dials, telling us what not to do. I don't know. Do we just find a spot to get in short here? Took a quick 12 points there. Back in the green. All right, if we get a pop back into kind of that 510, 512 area, I think a re-entry short makes a lot of sense. And then I'm going to try to hold this for a minute. We get a push back into this this area here. Try to hold it. Been short since 21588. Nice job. You want a 76 Pinto? My mama used to race Pintos. Fun fact, my mom used to be a race car driver. She raced the Ford Pinto division. Fun fact. Man, it did push back up to 09. That is kind of high enough, but I wanted a little more. Oh yeah, she was a race car driver back in the day. Back in the day. Back in my day. Oh gosh. Don't mess with my mama, yeah. Yeah, the prices are crazy, Yoma. Oh yeah, I wouldn't even try to buy a BMW. Car prices are insane. I mean, you know, the one we're looking at, the car is like 42,000 out the door. Darn it. Maxie's barking. I can't tell how much that one is. 19,000. Where's that at? 18K. It is Treff. And I am in fact a rook. All right. Well, we blew one account, but we're up $61 on this account. Hey, I'm still looking for shorts. I think shorts are in play ultimately. I should probably be reasonable with it though and kind of look for shorts back up into maybe the new day opening gap, new week opening gap up here in the 560s maybe. But size up, you said? German cars are only expensive new. They lose value rapidly. Yeah, that's true. That's most cars anyway, DA 33. It's unfortunate, but most cars are that way too. If I'm buying a used car, I'd rather pay cash for it from an individual, get a better deal. Just feel like buying a used car from the dealership, you just get your face ripped off. They overvalue them just so much. Yeah, true, Treff. I mean, I do think looking for a short up in this area probably does make more sense. You drive a Highlander? Yeah, I like the Highlander trading mints. They're just too expensive for me. They're a little bit too small on the inside. For the reason the Traverse is on the table is because it seats eight people. So it seats 8. All right, I'm going to try a short from here, guys. It's going to be fairly aggressive of me. I move my stop up. I'm going to take profit down. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. This thing looks like it wants to rip. The fuel tank is too small, is it? Matt lost 505 today, 370 on Friday. Airboat, I don't know. Was he trading his fundeds today? It's crazy to trade your fundeds. I don't know, in my opinion, today. You have an 1800 Accord Sport. Nice. You bought a 2014 Civic. Yeah, take private time. We have a 2019 Civic. It's my son's car. It is... Yeah, like 37,000. I think it's got 37,000 miles on it. 2019 Coupe. That's what I bought for my son for his first car. Powder keg. I mean, right now, if you think you can pass an eval in one go, take Profit Trader or My Funded Futures or Tradeify. You know, Apex don't really have a good sale right now. Bulenox has 80%. I like Bulenox. That's what I'm trading right now. So, I want to see the ES push back below that 59.80. This will be kind of like a failed breakdown trade of that 59.80 level on ES. It's kind of what I'm looking at here, but it's got to get through that 80 level first. Yeah, Toyota holds value for sure. This will be like a 75-point trade. The thing is, I think this push is much, much lower potentially. But this is intraday trailing drawdown, so we can't be too crazy with it. So we'll keep that in mind here. $640s, we can see another rip up. I hope not. Oh, it's 55 liters. I don't even know how much that is, Jack. My son's car, his only has a 10-gallon tank on it. That Civic, 10 gallons. That's what it has. But you get almost 400 miles. You get like 375 for the 10 gallons. So it's fine. You did DCA into the short. I should have probably, but didn't have like extreme confidence in it, but it's doing okay right now. I think I'll go break even below 512 if we get back below there, but this could be a failed breakdown long of this level. Let's hope that's not the case. $31.5 ATR. That is crazy. That is crazy. I might add here. Let's see. It's going to be a dangerous ad for sure. Probably added too much, to be honest. I probably should just went one and then waited. But we did what we did. We can't do anything about it now. May just blow this account too. We needed to push on down, get us out at least one of these. What the heck happened here? You see, it froze on me. I didn't mean to do that. I did want to get out of one, but just going to take our 12, 13 points on the second whenever we can get it. Statistically bullish week of the year, yeah. I know. Try not to think of that, though. Maybe that's a bad idea. Maybe I should be. Woo! Little DCA action. Little DCA. Little DCA never hurt anybody. All right, I'm going to pull one down to break even at 531. That's actually technically 10, 12 points. Yeah, I'm going to just pull that to here. We'll take that off there if we can get it. Might have should have pulled it down a little sooner, but stopped us out. She just bowled out of there. Said no thank you. That is a very bullish candle. I mean, is it too late to jump on the ride? Cleared out both sets of equal highs that it kind of left there. I have not. Did Bulenox have that, Gilbert? Or are you talking about APEX? I thought APEX had that. I could be wrong. Do we bounce here? Can your dog see me trading? Yeah, he sees me. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. He sees the chart. Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm back in. 33. No, I was going to add here. Yeah, I may still. We're in pretty heavy here. Pretty heavy. $33 is the break even, I guess, right? There. So there we go. Out of 1, 2. Break even stop. See if we can go lower. Quite a bit of volatility here. Quite a bit. No, he doesn't. He doesn't bark at my charts. I did know they were colorblind, but no, he doesn't bark at the charts. He barks at a bump. He barks at a bump in the outside. He'll be like, "Brr, brr, brr, brr." I still think we go down. I almost want to move my stop up, but you know how that goes. Probably comes up, stops me, and then rips lower. Come on, you don't have to stop me. You could be a sweet girl and just go lower. Just be like, okay, I'll go lower now. Nope. Nope. Couldn't do it. I'm leaning towards like the 309, 325 area, yeah. We could be wrong though. I mean, 59.80 is the bull bear line there on the ES, so like we're just kind of glued to that right now. It really can go either way. You can really kind of go either way there. You took the buy? Oh, I was going to short. And you're over here buying? What? What? Let's see here. Look at this thing. Oh, you're so annoying. I don't want to just like sell my soul for the shorts because I don't know. Still kind of 50-50. Still kind of 50-50 here. Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. I don't know if I want to just take 10, 12 points. So, oh, they just got it last week. I didn't know that, Gilbert. Or maybe I did and I forgot. I don't know. We'll try to just scalp into this. I mean, this thing could retest the 50. I don't know. Nice job, go. Trying to get like a good runner going, but you know, trying to get a good run down, but it's just not, I don't know, it's just not happening. A reclaim would just be like, just what it sounds like. So you can see how we pushed above and then we started back below. That'd be like a failed breakdown of this level. So that'd be what I would want to see. I want to see it push back down, stay below that level. If you're bearish, that's what you want to see. If you're bullish, you want to see it do the other. Do the other thing. just kind of glued to that level right now. It really could go either way. 751. It could. Yeah, I could see it. I'm going to go break even here. We're up over 10 points on it. You know, we don't want it to go back red on us at this point, so maybe we should have just taken our 10 or 12 points there instead of moving the target down, I guess. I mean, I would think that it probably resweeps this wick. You would think, yeah, I mean, you would think it would want to. $5.48 for a quick push up. Yeah, makes sense, right? Could. We're kind of in the middle of no man's land, let's be honest. But I still think the play is... Still think the play's down. I'm just going to take the 10 or 12 points from now on. And if it stops me, I'm going to leave my stop there. Look for plays kind of like that. If it stops us, it stops us. Stop moving it around. Yeah, Stewie, we're on the eval. Just have a little fun, you know, a little fun eval play. All right, we're going to jump on the long train here above 57. Or 67, I'm sorry. You just stop us out immediately. Victor, it's what it looks like. I do want to move the stop down though. Could pull back into the 50 really. This is just going to burn us both ways, so. Womp. Womp. Look at this thing. It's just going both ways. Just killing you both directions. I don't know. I should probably just go with my lean and just stick to the shorts, but you don't want to marry your bias sometimes, you know? Mm-hmm. Full port may be coming soon. Coming to a city near you soon. A port of fools. Yeah, go. The thing is, I don't really care about the eval, to be honest with you. I mean, there's no real reason to be trading this other than just, you know, a small level of entertainment. Oh, there she goes. There she blows. I gotta sneeze, guys. Hold on 1 second. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll probably go with a micro. What up, Micro Moves? Streamlabs. Yeah, I like Streamlabs. I mean, it's easy to use. Very easy to use. We're going to look for a very quick 5-point scalp somewhere with a 5-point stop. I use both micro. I use Streamlabs and OBS. Very, very quick. See if we get a quick 5-point scalp here. Only risking 5 points, so it either works or it doesn't. Alright, it came within like a tick, so I'm taking it off. We got $40 out of that. Can't let it do it. So, okay, micro moves will do. We will check you out. Let me pull you up now. Let me see. Why is this thing not letting me click on your name? Oh, there we go. Yeah. For some reason, this thing's like moving slow. All right, it's working. It's just moving slow. There she goes. I don't know what's going on here with my studio. Am I still live? You guys still see me? It says this page is having a problem. Saying I'm not connected to the internet, but surely I'm connected. Oh, okay, good. It just must be on my side. Nice job, Jack. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, it may. You just gotta kind of, you know. Find a spot to get in. I'm rolling with a 5-point stop right here. Very, very, very difficult to navigate. Right there at the 90. What up, Slim Trady? You full ported at 542. Let's go. We're right here at the 590, so $10.41's the time. Give a little shot here for a little 5-pointer. Might just get wrecked immediately. Yep. We're going to give it one more try on this account. One more try. Oh, that sucks, Trev. We just inverted a 5-minute. Oh, did we? See if we can find a spot here. He has pushed up there 59.90, kind of. Pull it back here. Actually looks decent for a short if we can get a nice little death candle here, but I don't know that we do. Holding up there at the 50 EMA for now. Yeah, it's kind of watching. I mean, this really would have to close kind of like below there. Your break-even stop would be down there. This actually looks pretty good. Might try to go for a full trade here. The only thing is ES is right there at the 80 again. These setups always got to come when the ES is right at the 80. Like, come on. It's kind of a dirty close too. Stop is relatively big too. Nice bounce right back off that 80 level there. Yeah, it's tough today, Trader Oracle. I don't blame you at all. It is tough. It is tough. I mean, you're on the right side of it. It's fine, but if you're not, it makes it tough. Let me go ahead and jump in here. Got a little latency there. Did you guys see that? Kind of holding up there. Got to break that 80 to get through there. Break that 80, we get a little waterfall here. What time is it as well? Coming in on the macro too. Volatile, volatile. Trying to be patient with it. It's not going yet. ES pin to the 80 there. Bouncing back above the 80. Give this thing a little bit of room here because, I mean, technically the stop has got to be where it has to be. So we'll see what happens. Well, technically I was supposed to go break even there, but I did not. Trying to give it room because I really think it does go, but might end up costing me. Coming into the macro here. See if I can get back below that wick one more time. I will move to break even then. Just got to push back below there one more time. Trying to be patient with this trade, but it is testing my patience. What up, Raphael? Oh, gotta be quick. All right, it's gotta go now. Come on. Gotta go. I was going to take something there. I feel like it's going to stop us out. It's getting real snaky. So we just took $135. Just get us back to break even on this account. Up 32 bucks. That's a funded account there, so we don't want to give it, we don't want to be too crazy with it. But I do think ultimately it goes. But it's just being super snaky. Probably should have took the $200. What up, Alcy Faye? Probably should have just took the $200. We were up like 225, 230, something like that. Our entry was here. I think it went up. What? We were up 12.5 points. 12 points. But, it is what it is. Yes, back to the 80. Kind of just holding that area there. Somebody mentioned this was initial balance. Yeah, I guess if you're doing 30 minutes, maybe. Price action has been pretty snaky, and it's snaked me. Snaked me a couple times here. I'm killing it on the shorts. No, not really. I think I'm losing it on the shorts, aren't I? I don't know. Am I? I don't know. I mean, I could jump back in, same spot, just in an eval. And we'll look for more. We've been in this short looking for this push down into the 476. I think this is like the third or fourth time. And every time it just rips higher. You can see I think I took it here, I took it here, took it here. Now we're taking it here. I mean, we did kind of break this 1 minute trend line here. But you would think it would at least clean out this low down here at 517. It could just be a small overshoot, I guess. So, yeah, I was trying to look, Trev, because I was like, well, I didn't know if somebody maybe using like a 30-minute initial balance, that would be this wick. We would be just below it. I don't know. This thing probably is bullish. It probably is just one of those things where it's going to, you don't want to marry your bias no matter what, but if it stops us out, we'll just take the long. We'll switch over to the long. 562 for a breakout. Yeah, I mean, that's probably reasonable. I think if we get up into that area, that's maybe. Now, this is kind of what I'm watching. Like, I want to see how we react kind of there, if we can get there. This would be the most logical take profit spot, but it may not even get there. It's a wick inside a fair value gap. It clears out all this LR. But the fact that it's, kind of struggling to get down there, not a good sign. And ES is kind of reclaiming that 59.80. Maybe we should just start looking for longs and just leave it at that. I don't know. Got a 30-second long trigger here. Yeah, looks like it. Let's just take it. I mean, to me, it's the harder it struggles to go down, the more likelihood it is just to go up, right? So, triggered you break even already? I don't really know where I'm going to break even. I'm going to probably go break even when the first target is hit. I'm thinking. I probably should be break even already, but 86 maybe. May as well wait for the first target at 88. Based off the 30-second chart, you'd say 86. So really, that should be break even. All right, there we go. Now we go break even. Now we just kind of target the VWAP. See if we can get it. Just rejecting that 90 hard there. I want to see this thing kind of hold. I want to pop through that 90, push into the 10. I do think this LR is going to be ran at some point. It should at least run this wick. I mean, wait a second. This is not inside a fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, you would think we at least run the 96. At least, you would think. Is that right, Max? You hear Max? Max said, yes, 96. Woof, woof. 96 is coming. You guys heard it first. Okay? You guys heard it first here from Max. He said, I cannot make the buy signal any more clear for you. If you do not buy, that is your problem. All right, maybe he said sell. I don't know. I mean, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is so snaky. I mean, technically that trade failed. Well, I guess not really. It did hit the break even. Oh, yeah, it's probably not the accent. You're probably right. Oh, goodness. Is this going to... Yeah, now it's going to run this LR. I mean, that's the candle we were wanting to see a minute ago. Just going to take our money and then do it. All right, I'm back in. Oh, yeah. I'm going to move stop up. I mean, our take profit's right here at 522. I think that's a reasonable spot. We should run it all, but that's a pretty strong candle there. So if it doesn't run it, you know, he suddenly went rushing. Yeah, he is rushing. The Sabo celeb, yeah. Tom Sabo for sure. But I'm kind of thinking that, you know, we are in the macro here. That was not the shock of the hour. I don't know. I said I was going to quit trying the shorts, and then we're right back in a short. Come on, really? Looks like this thing's going to be range bound. We probably should just go to, like, starting range plays. That's probably what we should be doing. Start taking range plays. Yeah, the chop is definitely chopping me. You subscribe to Sabo's OnlyFans? He wears a chicken suit and dances with pom-poms? Let's go. How much is that per month, Trev? This is ridiculous. Really? $0.75? Oh, my goodness. I mean, technically the short wasn't valid, but it's still ridiculous to me. 100 Hungarian pesos. Did I buy an option 2? Oh, I was about to say. I thought I bought an option 2 account because I was just spamming the buy button and it wouldn't let me buy. I'm not so sure about those feels, sir. Rip it. All right, this is life or death. The ukulele with his privates? I did not. The things you learn. The things you learn about Tom. Oh. We got to stop talking about Tom. I don't know if he's live today or not. Oh, my goodness. Me whistle Tom. There's 96 for you. Invest. Sure did trap me on that short. Well, we're almost back to break even on the account after our 7 contract full port there. 7 Connie full port for 20 ticks. I only do that for you guys. It's for the stream, as Jay would say. All right, hold on one second. Hello. Yeah, Tom was calling to tell me that it's actually $1.25 for his OnlyFans, not 75 cents. You guys were wrong. So that ukulele doesn't sound as good over the phone, though. You know, you got to get the right audio settings on that. Now, that was the car dealership. They're like, "What other colors do you like?" I mean, I sent them a thing on a white one with black wheels, but they're saying like, "Oh, we can make you a better deal on a different one." Whatever. I don't really care. Whatever the best deal is. The best deal is what we're looking for. Hey, anybody, how do you clear your cookies on your computer? I forgot. Anybody know how? I know it's over here somewhere. Might be right here. Oh, I think this is it. Never mind. It's not letting me clear. Here we go. It wasn't letting me see one of the websites that I always see. And I think it's because of this cookie thing. I don't know. Just clear this thing out. 150 Hungarian pesos. I wonder if we can get a discount. You probably can. At least 10% off. 10% for sure. All right, if we pop the VWAP, are we going? Seems to be. How big does the stop have to be? 10, 12 points here. It might be full port time again, guys and gals. Not quite full port. Maybe more like half port. Can't be too unreasonable, you know? If it hits my target, fine. If it closes above, then I'm going to add. If it doesn't close above, we're just going to leave it what it is. It doesn't look like it's going to. Yeah, so that's all right. That's dirty. All right, well, it didn't make it above there, so that's okay. It might still pop it. Or it could just reject here. I mean, it's not that uncommon. I know Lassie, if Lassie was here, he'd be saying short. Short! How do you think it could go? The Weevop. The Tom Sabo Weevop. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Want to help support the channel? Use my codes. We do appreciate it. All right, you mother trucker. This thing just did the same thing to me again. That's so dirty. I'm adding to my winner. Or my loser. I don't know which way you want to call it. Whichever one it is. All right, we got 3 minis on right now. Do we just leave it at 3? Probably. All right, 1 second left on that candle. There we go. Closed above. If we get a little retest here, we will add back in. Patrick's rich. Who the heck is Tom? Tom Sabo. Did it take me out of 1? I think it did. Tom Sabo. He's the man, Tom Sabo. If we pull back into the Weevop, we will add another. I'm going to leave my stop down here. Why not? It's only like 12, 13 points. You're Tom. Yes, this is true. This is true. Yes, didn't make it to the VWAP yet. Nasdaq did, obviously. We're now in 4. Let's make it 5. Let's make it 6. Let's make it 7. We're in 7. It's not bouncing. It's supposed to bounce. Bow, bow, bow. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Boom. All right, we're out of 2. Come on. We got out of 2 there. That's it. Tight stop here, so. Got to bounce again. Do we just get out if it gets back to our entry? Probably should have got out there, huh? Is that our chance? That was our chance. We didn't take it. Your short room, of course. Oh, man, I'm out. Dang it. How am I spending Christmas? You're spending Christmas alone at home. No good contact with family in the new year. I want to start a job and continue trading. Oh, that's sad, Max. Hopefully you reach out to your family, man. Your family's your family. 200,000 selling her farts in a jar. Black Beauty. Anybody will buy my farts? Oh, you have room beats a couple weeks. I mean, pretty much. Yeah, Black Beauty, you might be in the wrong business. You might be in the wrong business. I mean, like, how do they even know that that it's her fart? She sent a video of her actually farting in the jar. No, Yoma, those don't stink, man. Come on, give me a little credit. All right, we're down $1,225 after all that. Darn it. I should have taken that off, I guess. I should have taken it off. You prefer toenails? Oh, yeah, people are crazy. People are crazy. You had whiskey in a jar, now you got farts in a jar. It's just, you know, it's downhill from there. Guess I should have had my stop lower. All right, let's start scaling in. Short or long? I don't know. Took one. I know, man. I got a full port. Invest. I got 7 minis to play with. 7 minis. I waited for it to hit the swing high, and now I'm like, yes, I will long. Stupid. I don't even know how much drawdown we got. I have no clue. I do like that we didn't hit the internal here, so. Move that one to break even. Move the target up just a little bit. Try to give it back, get it back a little at a time. Fart could be flammable. I don't know. It could be. I actually think I might full port here. Just keep adding in. Yeah, only 4 ported, not full ported. Max, they might break the cup, right? They might break it. We're full port, 7 minis. Too late. I should have been in. Oh, well, too early, I guess, is the right term, probably. Probably the right term. Too early. My chart froze for a second. I'm long, take profit, Tom. We need a bull candle, a boner, a green boner candle. There we go. That's what we needed. Now we're only down $308. The times of gentiles. People are crazy what they'll buy. You're not wrong about that. I don't know why it won't let me. That doesn't make any sense. I can't log in to Take Profit Trader. I don't know why. On my computer, it just doesn't work. I can log in on my phone, works fine. Anybody else have a problem with that? Just took profit? Yes, that's what we do. How do I sign in? Yeah, it lets me sign in on my phone, but I don't know why on my computer it won't let me. It won't even let me see the website. That's why I was trying to clear the cookies. I did, and it's still saying the same thing. Let's see here. 40% off resets, My Fun of Futures. Let's go. Maybe try a different browser. Yeah, I guess I could do that. Yes, hit the VWAP there. Does it continue higher? I don't know. Well, Max, you gotta, your family's your family, brother. You gotta reach out to your family. I don't know if you just, I don't know your situation, but family's always family. No matter what. Just like me and Husk, I don't like him either, but he's still my family. 629 tentative buy order. Oof. 629. Where are you trying to go to, though? All right, you said it. Trev said it. If he said it, it must be true. Room's long. Oh, that means I got a short. Oh, are those equal highs up there? I didn't even see that. Are they equal? 652.75. Yeah. Those are equal highs at 652.75. Yeah, poor Husk, yeah. Husk lap pants, straight, great stocking stuffer. You're now inviting love actively into my life. Start praying some. Oh, let's go. Well, we all have our things, Max. That's how it is, man. You gotta, nobody's perfect. If a fart's flammable. Max, they want me to light a fire next to your butt because I'm not doing it to my own. Max said, "No, you shall not come near my butt with a lighter. You shall not." I'm thinking about full porting from here just for five points. ES might get turned down here at the, what you call it. Oh, Nutty finally bought straight to fund to Tradeify, did he? Nice. Nice job, Nutty. I don't like that the ES has rejected the VWAP here. Tom will do it for 400 Hungarian pesos. Poor Tom. He might do it for less than that. Yeah, I think so, Invest. It does seem that way. Do we take a VWAP bounce here? Do we full port a VWAP bounce? Yeah, why not? Do we not get the 21 touch and the VWAP bounce? You changed it to a 632 buy. Now you're moving it up. You said 629. That's where I'm leaving it, sir. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Trev, I'm not really, this is all semantics to me here today. We're just kind of playing around. Just kind of playing around. Yes, back to the VWAP here. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. I was thinking actually of this, but that could be in a rejection area for sure, potentially. Or if the ES pops, it could just go. All right, well, we're in now. We're in all of them. Full port. We need it to go fast. Doesn't go fast, we're just going to get slaughtered. Come on, fast. Be a good girl. Be the kind of girl you take home to mama. There you go. I knew you could do it. Let's see if we can give it a chance to go here. That stopped us out. That's all right. The full port works. It works. We are now green, $250. We do have these equal highs up here. I do think that's probably at least the draw for now, but you know. Yeah, go. You got to have the girl you take home to mama. You can't have the other one. You can't have the other kind. Well, I mean, I guess you can. All right, let me get back. Oh, what? I did not mean to do that. Full ported again. Darn it. I'm going to see if it works. I didn't mean to. I'm not going to let it go red. I did not mean to again. After full porting, you should always change your quantity again. Now that we're no longer on the full port, we can do it. I'll put my stop down here below these swings. We may average into this on pullbacks. We'll see. Probably go break even at like 45. It's like about halfway up that wick. Maybe a little lower. We get any pullbacks into the 9 or the 21, we may add. Yeah, I think we're going to, Trev. I think it may go quickly here. That's why I'm in. It may just go quickly. You're tuning into your tradertainment. Thank you. Eggnog in hand and committed to just watching. Nothing wrong with that. Loot, I think a lot of people are just watching until the 6th, and I'll probably just be on an eval. I know I took a couple of funded trades today, but nothing, crazy. I'll probably just be on an eval just for funsies until about that time, until about the 6th. So... and we're going to add on pullbacks. We're going to DCAN on pullbacks. Just take little scalpers. So for example, if she comes into the 9, we'll add. Comes to the 21, we'll add. Grab the wrong one. We're in off the 9. Let's see if we get out of that quick. You want to just be out of that quick for a little profit. Boom. There we go. That's the idea. What are you looking at, Yoma? You're looking at full sendage. Crafts are entering. I don't know what that is. It's the location of one of over 900 Galactic Federation bases on Earth. I don't even know what that is, Max. You lost me. Gotta drop a dime in your busking jar. Exactly. Yoma, if overtrading was a person, you are correct. You are correct, sir. I'm here admitting it. I say I know what I am doing. I am overtrading. All right, let's add one more at the WAP of the V's. Still want to bounce and get out of this one before we get to the WAP of the V's. We don't want to be in 3 at the WAPs. Come on, get us out of that one. All right, tag us into all of it. It's fine. ES kind of pushing below the VWAP here. Not a great sign. Restrained. All right, now we're in. We need that bounce. We are in fact not getting a bounce. We're getting the opposite of a bounce. And it is not a good look. Has to have a fast reaction now up. Come on, get us out of that one. Go. A little more. There we go. Now we got our average just above the VWAP. And we're only in 2. Come on, you can do it. I don't know that this one gets up that high, so I'm going to help it. There we go. Now we're going to go break even. Because, hey, we ain't trying to lose on this adventure. Just wondering if the ES gets back above the VWAP. I'm not sure. In 2025, a lot of information and disclosure will be released. Oh, nice. Trapdoor on the gallows. Let's open that. I want it to still run that 652. We'll see if it does. All right, stopped out there. You guys want me to turn the audio on? That way you can hear the beeps and noises and you think it's your trading? That's fine, right? Yes, never made it up to the 6001, and it's kind of rejecting the VWAP there. Does look like we might get a little elevator down. Potentially. The elevator ride down has not happened much, though. Like, it's just been... You just have to kind of jump into it, I guess, if you're going to jump. What do we got here? We got 14 points. All right, well, I mean, we could probably try it. Let's wait for a little retest here. We'll look for a little... You know, something like that. I think we can go more than 1 here. Oh, never mind. We're just in 1. Yeah, that's not what we were looking for. We'll be close to break even if this loses. Anyone using a VR headset? No, Loot. That's interesting. That would be kind of interesting. Kind of fun. Have not heard of that. That's what happens when you go against your draw on liquidity. You think it's up here at 652, yet you take a short. So dumb. I do think this might be another full port situation. Let's see. I think this works a large percentage of the time. Let's see. Do we get to close above? Looks like we're going to at least get it on the 30-second chart there. 30-second already closed above, but not the 1 minute. Not really that obvious either, to be honest. So, nice job, Trev. Thank you, Max. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. Move our stops down to here. Oh, darn it. Hit my TPs already. All right, we're full ported again. Ported of full. I'm not going to be able to move these stops down fast enough either, so probably going to get stopped on a bunch of them. Hey, what do you know? I got most of them pulled down. Account blowage. Might be in order here. Yeah. Yeah, that's not the look we were looking for. We ported too full too fast on that one. No! Rip it. Gotta go. It's a well-planned strategy. Definitely not. Definitely not. Should have went smaller size, but it's okay. It might still work. You never know. We're not stopped out yet. We haven't blown her yet, but we're close. We got to be close. Come on. Get through there. Go! I know it's gonna go, but if I want to save this account, I can't be in that many. I can get back in with just a couple. Maybe like 2, and we'll move that one up to there. Now we could maybe. Yeah, good thing we got out, I guess. Did it fail yet? Not technically, no. Da, da. Yes, at the VWAP. We are currently down $500. No, wait, $600 on this account. Had to do math. Oh, you passed the Fidias? Nice. Price is in the 62% retracement zone. Yeah, I know, Loot. It's dangerous to be longing up here. We know. Once in Pathfinder's camp, you tried to put a cucumber into a female's. What? All right, we're back in again. Go! All right, we're out that one. We're going to go break even at that wick up there. 638. I want to see some expansion above that 638. I want to see price kind of move. Yeah, probably can go ahead and go break even. There we go. That's what we want to see. I want to see her go. Do we get back to break even here? It's going to be close. How's that not take me out there? Dog over here making all kind of noises. All right, we're down $72 after all that. $72. That played out. I don't know, trader on tilt. I've never heard of that. Nice job, Luke. Oh, you didn't get in on that one, Trev? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I kind of fell. We're holding that 9 and 21 there. You know, if it gets above those equal, or gets above that wick there, back above this high, it should kind of go. It's kind of the thought process there, but you never know. Yes, back to the 6001 area. Do we take? We take an. I might take a breakout play on initial balance. We'll see here. These initial balance breakouts have been playing. They've actually been playing out all right lately. Just with like a 10-point stop here. We'll see. Yeah, invest. I would think 740s up there, maybe 753. Let's see what happens here. How we do on the initial balance breakout. Am I in? Oh, I guess I'm in. If we get up like 10, 12 points, we'll probably just go ahead and go break even. So probably like 88, 86 area. And then we'll probably just take a retest if we get it, if it comes back. You'd like to see a nice strong close above. Already kind of acting as support there. ES has not gotten to initial balance yet. Initial balance high. It is working its way towards that area. All right, let me get stopped here. That's okay if we do. Let's see kind of what happens. 750 should be 50% of the daily range. Yeah, I think we get there too. You gonna be back Friday, Yoma? Oh, Friday. Why Friday, Yoma? You taking the whole week off, you lazy bones? Ha ha ha. Maybe I'll have Yoma on one day. Maybe we'll get Yoma on Friday. We'll see. Friday. Friday. No, it is 6:4. Or it is 11:45. I did say I was not going to stay on past 11:30. Oops. I did say that. All right, there's pullback. Knocking me out of there. Down 280. Nah, I don't blame you, Yoma. I'm just here to give you a hard time, that's all. Initial balance breakout there, Yoma. A little breakout play. Watch, I'm going to show you. Watch. Watch this. Watch it. Watch it. Hold on. Wait for it. Hold on. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Darn it. Boom. Boom. Hold on. Wait for the next one. Boom. One more. Boom. Full port. We're out on 2. Come on, get us out. Boom. That's how you do it, Yoma. $700. You're welcome. I appreciate you, Yoma. $700 quick. Quick like. Yoma, that's how you do it, man. That's how you do's it. We're only up $394 and we've blown 2 evals, so. That's not luck, man. That was timing. It's all about the timing. Laying out on the table, daring Gallagher to get his watermelon fence post. Got to do that more often so you can actually pass. Yeah, I know it. You're not lying. But now we're going to do this. I'm going to go... We're going to go 3. Nah, we'll go 4. And then we'll try to take 1 up here. Go full size every time? All right, I got you. I got you, Yoma. You don't have to ask more than once. I got you. I should probably get these limit orders at the same spot, though. 60, close enough. The car dealership has just sent me an email. They do, Bob. I'm telling you. They do, for sure. They just emailed me a video of the car. Where's the video? I don't see a video. All right, do we get tagged in here? So we want an immediate reaction here if we get tagged in. Where's the initial balance at? 75.50? That one tick matters, you know? Oh, I didn't get a video of it yet. And that's not the reaction we wanted. Come on, give us the bounce-a-rooney. Gotta hold this 20 EMA here, or whatever it is. Doesn't look like it's going to. It's all Yoma's fault. If Yoma wasn't in here talking crap. See, as soon as I started to blame Yoma, it said, all right, let's go. It said, let's rip her. Let's rip her. Yeah, it's a car husk. Minus 200 on one funded, Yoma says. What kind of crap is that, Yoma? Boom, $300. Let's go. You almost said dump it. Break even on the others. We'll be back on Friday since he's skipping this week. I just got notification in Yoma's Discord there. Rip it. Might give this one a little bit of space. Maybe like there. Just to see. That way it can retest if it wants to and still maybe go. Bingo, bango, bongo. YOLO. Yeah, I'm in your Discord now, Yoma.